fine at home. So today in this class I am going to teach you chapter number 1 of computer for class 7th, and I am going to teach you how to convert binary number into decimal number. So I am going to teach you conversion of binary numbers to decimal number. My dear girls, as you know, in the binary number system we are using 2 digits, and these 2 digits are 0 and 1. So in the binary number we are using 2 digits, 0 and 1. So the base of the binary number system is 2, as we are using only 2 digits, where 0 is we are using for the off state and 1 we are using for the on state. As computer does not understand any other language, when we give numbers to computer as input, computer changes these numbers to binary equivalent. So here in this, when binary number system is using only 2 digits, the base of the binary is 2, and same way in the decimal number system, the digits which are used in the decimal number systems are from 0 to 9. So total digits are 10. That is why the base of decimal number system is 10. Now I will tell you how to convert a binary number into a decimal number. So when a binary number is given to us, the base is always given like this, as the base is 2. So this is the way to write down, and when I will be finding out the result as a decimal number, I will be writing the result here. Let's start. So this is the unit place. The ones place is called the unit place. This is tens place and this is hundred place. With each next place, with the base, the positional value will also be increased. So when I am going to multiply this 0 as this 0, this is the face value and this is the base with the positional value. So base is always, with the binary number, the base is always 2, but the positional value will be changing. At the unit place, my positional value is 0. So how to write 0? This is the face value multiplied by base with the positional value. 0 into 2 raised to the power 0, where you must understand always the value of 0 raised to the power, the value of 2 raised to the power 0 is always 1. The next value will be also, this is unit place, this is tens place, this is hundred place. The same way we are, the value of the next place is the positional values increase. Same way here also, this is the face value multiplying with the base and the positional value, and the positional value here is 1. So 1 into 2 raised to the power 1. With the next increased value, 1 into base, and the increased positional value is 2. So now I will be finding out the value. 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. The value for 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. And when I am going to multiply 1 with 0, I will be getting the answer 0. In the next number, 1 into 2 raised to the power 1. 2 raised to the power 1 means 1 is, the 2 is repeated one time only. So 1 into 2 will be 2. Here 1, where 2 raised to the power 2 shows 2 is repeated 2 times, twice. So 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. And when I am adding, I will be getting 6. So when I am changing 110, this is my binary number, into decimal number, I will be getting 6. This is my decimal number. Let's take another example for the better clarification of the same concept, children, for you. I am taking little big number, a large number, so that I can change into decimal number. Let's take the example 11011. So I am going to multiply, this is my units place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. See how the positional value is increasing as my base is 2 raised to the power 0 here. Next is 1. The positional value is increased as 2 raised to the power 1. 0, 2 raised to the power 2. Next number is 1. 2 raised to the power 3. Another number is 1. 2 raised to the power 4. Now to find out the value, 2 raised to the power 0 means 1, and when I am going to multiply 1 with 1, 1 into 1 will be giving me the value 1. Here 2 raised to the power 1 means 2 is written for one time only, that means 1 into 2 is 2. 0 multiplying with any number will be giving the value 0. So here the value is 0. If I am multiplying any number with 0, the value will be 0. Here 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, and the next value is 1 into 2 raised to the power 4. That means 2 is repeated 4 times. 16. So 4 times if I am multiplying 2, I will be getting 16. When I am adding all these, 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 2 16, plus 1 17, 1 and 1 2. So which decimal number I am getting after converting this binary into decimal number? 27. Thus, if I am changing 1 1 0 1 1 base 2 into decimal number, I will be getting 27 as my decimal number. Always remember to write down the base of decimal number and base of binary number. I hope with these examples the concept of conversion of binary number to decimal is clear to you. In the next video, I will teach you how to convert decimal number into binary number. Till then, relax and enjoy at home, my dear girls.